Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Right here, try to find an app called NotifyBuddy. Select it and install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open the app, move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which we can skip, but if you have any problems, go back and disable it. From here, the app should be ready and you can start using it. And there's 4 tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User, you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can find all apps that are bound to your system. In Active, there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings, you can change anything about the LED lamp, like a size, shape, color, placement on the screen. Now let's click on the test button, and right here we can find the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.